If you recently have just moved to a new place and you need to change your home address, then this is the video for you. Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to change your home address in Google Maps. So first, open your Google Maps in your mobile phone. First, make sure you are logged into your Google account, that you have saved your home address. So here you will see this button with the U icon at the bottom of your page. Now at the top you will see your home location. Just click on these three dots and click on the edit home button. So here remove the current location and start typing your new location. So after this, you can also change your location from your desktop. So log into your same Gmail in your Google Maps, and here you will see the saved option at the left side of your page. Click on saved and go to labeled. Here you will see your home location. Click on your home address and click on it again. So you will see this edit button alongside your home address. Click on edit and choose the location you want to put. So after that, just click on save and you're done. So this is how you change your home address from both of your mobile and your desktop devices. For more videos, like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.